Would you forgive your partner if they cheated on you?
I am telling way too many things on this.
Your chance.
Okay, all right.
I think if I have to do it, I would rather.
Cool.
I don't want to feel left out. All right. Have you ever lied to your partner and is there an instance that you can think and they don't know about it and they would get to know? Okay, but
Always.
was there something that you hid for a long time?
Fine. Okay, this is a juicy story. If you had to choose between your mom and dad, who would you pick? And you have to pick one. See, this is what we have to do. We have to anyway answer. And ये अभी से ही fail कर रही है. So what's the point of the episode, Sabi?
कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर?
Question: Have you ever looked at Sahil's phone or your partner's phone?
हाँ, नहीं मजे आते हैं यार. तू ही करियो.
नहीं मैं ऐसी थी.
Welcome to another episode of Papi. We are your host Shreya and Sabni.
But today we're not your host. Today we have a very special episode where we ask each other questions that I usually wouldn't ask her ever.
I might. I would.
So,
okay.
We will not do anything else. Let's just dig into the questions.
Yeah.
You start.
You want me to start?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the questions that are very spicy, controversial, something that we would actually not ask each other.
And we don't know what the other person has written.
Yeah, we've written some questions. We have not used ChatGPT. She has no idea what I'm going to ask her.
I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, so okay, fine. So I'm going to ask her the first question. If you had to choose between your mom and dad, who would you pick? And you have to pick one.
I'm not picking one. I live in their house. One of them will kick me out. They will see the episode. I'm sorry.
No, you have to. That's the whole deal.
I can't.
You have to pick one.
I can't.
You have
What
to
if I
answer.
actually can't.
No, you have to.
How do you pick between your mom and dad?
I don't know, man.
It depends on the purpose I'm picking them for. Give me a...
So maybe think of a purpose and then maybe answer that way. See, this is what we have to do. We have to anyway answer. And ये अभी से ही fail कर रही है. So what's the point of the episode, Sabi? You
But
have
I
to
can't
answer.
choose between my mom and dad.
You can't, but you have to choose one right now.
Give me a purpose that I'm choosing it for.
I can't. इतनी सारी चीजें थोड़ी ना करनी है. You just have to choose, and then you can just tell the purpose or whatever. You have to choose one. You have no other option. It's either mummy or it's either papa.
I can't do this.
Sabi, you have to answer. Sabi, ऐसे नहीं चल पाएगा एपिसोड भाई तो फिर हम नहीं कर रहे हैं एपिसोड. बात ही खत्म हो गई. ये क्या बात हुई यार? मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. मैंने नहीं करना है एपिसोड. ये कैसे बात हो गई यार? ये मतलब what the hell is this? You have to. I'm sure your questions are also very.
Okay, if I have to pick, I don't know what purpose I'm picking it for, but maybe mama.
Cool. Yeah.
It's a lie, Papa.
आजकल मम्मी से ज्यादा पैसे दे रही है लगता है.
It's a lie. Everything's a lie. It's for the TRP.
Sure. Okay, next question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fuck you, because my question is very similar. Choose you can either only talk to your parents for the rest of your life, or you can talk to your husband for the rest of your life.
This question is invalid. ये मेरी कॉपी कर रही है.
नहीं भाई लिखा.
ये कैसे बकवास है? ऐसे कैसे तेरा दिमाग चल सकता है मेरे?
भाई लिखा हुआ है. I have written it. I will take a photo. We'll take a photo and we'll put this.
Okay, so I can either talk to Sahil
for the rest of the life, or you can talk to your parents for the rest of your life, but
So,
you can't do both.
I will live with my husband.
No, you.
But I will talk. I'm sorry, you did not mention. But I will
She's
talk
being a
to my.
bitch.
But I will talk to my.
You made me
parents.
choose. Now you also choose. You can't be diplomatic like that.
Bro, then you have to mention it in your
No.
question.
No.
Bhai,
Pick one.
I will talk to my
No.
parents, but I will live with Sahil.
Pick one. Physical talking is also talking only.
Okay, if I have to pick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any sort of contact. Let me make it clear.
हाँ तो ऐसे लिखना था ना?
नहीं, अब कर दिया.
Okay. This is a very tough one.
Husband or parents? Husband or parents? Husband or parents? अब क्या हो गया? नहीं आंसर? आंसर?
Okay, I'll pick Sahil. मम्मी पापा I love you.
आंटी अंकल को भेजूंगी
मैं ये सिर्फ मजाक चल रहा है.
नहीं.
ये मजाक है.
मजाक
ठीक
में
है.
सच होता है.
ये मजाक है.
Next.
Okay, next question. Okay, so would you be with a partner who's like great in bed?
Okay.
He is like the best green flag to exist, but he has No, like
In general.
good qualities, great in bed,
Great person.
amazing to
Great
look
in
at.
bed. अच्छा, सब कुछ
सब
sorted.
कुछ बढ़िया solid. But he has
Less money.
he has carpenter type of money.
Carpenter type of money. Carpenters are very rich in the US. I don't know what country you're talking about.
Talking about India. Okay, so this guy is like broke. Okay.
Bro की बोल दिया अपने carpenters को. भाई carpenters पता है कितने महंगे होते हैं?
मतलब मैं इंडिया की बात कर रही हूँ. मैं इंडिया में रहती हूँ guys. मैं इंडिया की carpenter
इंडिया
की
के
बात कर रही हूँ.
भाई ने carpenter के रेट नहीं पता है.
तो भाई मतलब what I'm trying to say, अबे चुप कर यार. मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि
ठीक है, he's
poor,
broke. He's poor. He's not doing as
ठीक है.
well.
But or this or a partner who's like loaded, like loaded. और बाकी सब चीजों में
बाकी सब भी zero है.
बाकी सब कुछ हर चीज में ही
भाई
मतलब
फिर तो बहुत ही clear option है because money I can still earn. But rest of the things I can't change. थोड़ा बहुत definitely I would choose the person who's good in bed and green flag all over so we can earn money.
So now जितने भी लड़के broke हैं ठीक है बाकी
But
सब
I'm already dating. It's fine.
हमें नहीं पता कब तक तो we can't really say anyway. Okay, cool है ठीक है. This was like a normal question that I asked you so that you don't
Alright.
start crying and
Alright.
leave the episode and start running here. Okay, cool. Yeah.
Okay, you're a content creator.
Yes.
And you have a decent amount of friends. And most of the friends I know, and I know they don't engage as much as I think friends should if they know that the bread and butter of somebody, especially their friend, comes from their content.
Yeah.
So do you think they become a little less of friends because they don't engage as much as... I mean, it doesn't take a lot of time to engage on somebody's content, right?
Okay, I used to think, this is a very good question actually. I used to think that, you know, this is kind of, ki haan, they should like, you know, but the thing is that I have multiple pages, you know? So when it matters the most, they do engage. But I would definitely want them to engage more.
But
because
like, I'm
obviously,
saying that... Okay, so if you have a friend and you know you've mentioned them to a couple of times ki bro matlab engage a little, and of course you can't ask them every time, and there's a person in your life now who is still not engaging, would you start considering them less of a friend because of this one reason?
100%.
Like-
Thank God I don't have friends like that because I have mentioned it to my friends that, you know, this is very important to me because see, most of my friends are not content creators.
Yeah.
Okay? So they don't really understand how this works. But I, you know, specifically told them that, you know, if you engage, it helps me. So, and they're all very busy people. So I give them that, you know, leverage. Ki, haan, it's okay. So they do it as much as they can, but I also don't expect them to, you know,
Do it all the
time.
Of course, all the
but
time.
they
This
do
is a
it.
बहुत unreal
Yeah, that's like
expectation.
unreal expectation. But yes, they do it, and this just made me realize that I actually have very good friends. That
All
I have really nice friends. I love you guys. Pishka, pishka. Cool.
Okay, your chance.
Okay, so if you had all the money in the world, would you still work? See, I'll give you a little, you know, background why I'm asking this question. So now I'm surrounded with a lot of people who come from very wealthy families, and there are some people who they're just मतलब वो सिर्फ मम्मी पापा का पैसा खा रहे हैं. Again, I don't judge them. ठीक है, उनके पास इतना है कि
खा
अब
सकते हैं?
उनके पास मतलब कुछ ऐसे ज्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं उनके काम करने से. But there are some friends of mine who come from like such wealthy families and they are still so motivated in life and they are excelling at their careers. Like उन्होंने उस पैसे का मतलब उन्होंने उस
सही
चीज
use
को
करा है.
सही यूज करा है. ठीक है, judging nobody, but I'm actually very proud of these specific lot. क्योंकि पता है जब इतना पैसा होता है motivation थोड़ी.
Well, there are two ways to looking at it. I feel like my answer would be ki...
What would your answer be?
Yeah, so I think when you have that kind of money,
Yeah.
since you can choose your work, like as in you can choose whatever doesn't feel like work to you. Because if I already have a money, whatever I'm doing, I definitely like doing it. I'm not doing it out of, you know, a necessity. So I definitely 100% enjoy it. And when you enjoy something, it stops feeling like work. So I feel like
Fair.
people who are hustling and whatever, and also like richness and money comes with a lot of contact. So whatever, like you would notice, usually people who are rich would always enter in fields where networking plays a huge role. And you know, as they say, money begets money. So I think I would work, but I wouldn't, like I would recognize my privilege and also be like, this isn't work. This is a privilege.
Yeah,
Like
privilege.
I enjoy doing something and it's also making me
making me
money.
money.
It's easier.
Yes,
Like it's
easy.
of course it's
It's
hustle and
good
whatever,
thing.
but I can't compare it to somebody who's working a 9 to 5 or doing something that they don't even enjoy doing.
Enjoy
You
doing
know,
it. They're doing it for the, just अपना
rich
घर
people
चलाने के
have
लिए.
like, if you would notice, rich people usually are in art fields, creative fields,
Creative
event
fields,
fields, like
yeah.
all these fields, because as humans, all of us enjoy that.
100%.
But everybody doesn't get to do that
Yeah.
because they don't have the privilege.
Like I'll just give a little example. I've been working as a doctor again. मैंने कम करना बंद कर दिया. Where I felt कि okay, now I've earned enough. I
Exactly.
have. So कि मैंने इतने पैसे कमा लिए कि अब मैं अपने creative fields में I can
पैसे earn कर सकते
completely deep dive and not think too much about money because I've earned my share of money from my academic achievements.
So while I respect people who hustle when they have money, I also hate people who don't recognize that it's a privilege.
It's a privilege.
Yeah.
Sure. Cool. Yeah.
All right. Have you ever lied to your partner, and is there an instance that you can think and they don't know about it and they would get to know when they watch it?
Okay, so I don't really think I've ever. So मतलब maybe in that moment where I felt कि अभी मैंने अगर साहिल को बता दिया तो मैं.
Okay, tell me like a juicy story कि कि अभी बता दिया तो वो सर पे चढ़ जाएगा.
सर पे चढ़ जाएगा. अब यार ये on top my head तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं.
इतने साल से डेट कर रहे हो भाई, अब कुछ ना कुछ तो of course हो.
मैं हमेशा घूम फिर के I always end up telling him.
Okay, but was there something that you hid for a long time?
Fine. Okay, this is a juicy story. And Sahil's gonna hate me. Okay, so there's this boy. Okay, there's this boy, and it's been like I've been with Sahil for about 7 years. 7-8 years हो चुके, ठीक है? And usually I'm not really interested in men and everything, but there's this one boy who's like super cute and everything. And मैंने थोड़ी अपने
ये अगर हमें बाद में कटवाने को बोला मैं थप्पड़ मारूंगी.
मतलब मैं यूजुअली आई डोंट रियली इंडल्ज इनटू दिस. मैं से क्यों अपनी सफाइयाँ दे रही हूँ, बट ओके एनीवे. सो देयर वाज दिस वन टाइम वेयर आई वाज लाइक कि
He's cute, हो गया, आगे बढ़ो.
he's cute and everything and maybe I can like talk just a little. पर वो ऐसे talk करते करते मैंने अपने थोड़ा सा अपने हिसाब से ज़्यादा ही flirting कर ली. इतनी ज़्यादा कर ली कि that boy was like, okay, I'm coming on the weekend, and I was like, what did I get myself into? And I was like, okay, Sahil is my friend. I can tell him maybe कि मैंने अपनी औकात के बाहर थोड़ा flirt कर लिया और वो वैसे कह रहे हैं I should come on the weekend. So I think I should tell Sahil, but then I thought कि मैं, and then Sahil came, okay, and he was in a really bad mood. तो मैं सोचा अभी बताऊंगी तो शायद मतलब
But you
मेरे
could
से
have just
बाहर
maybe not told and be like, why are you coming, and block the person, and then told Sahil. He would have been less angry because you've already blocked the person. I don't know.
मतलब ऐसे मैंने ब्लॉक क्या ब्लॉक करना है, just stop
नहीं पता,
talking यार. Anyway, so फिर weekend वगैरह सब चला गया everything, and थोड़े दिन बाद I was like, okay, सब अब Sahil seems pretty happy and he's thriving in life and everything. So now if I tell him because ऐसे done.
So you told him.
So I told him, and then he was like, what a bitch.
That's it. That's all his reaction was.
Yeah. He was like, it's okay, healthy flirting. कहता फिर he was like कि ज़्यादा कर ली.
Unhealthy flirting.
मैं थोड़ी unhealthy हो गई थी. तो but ठीक है, I tell him everything and
ठीक है, okay.
it's like once in a blue moon type. तो
ठीक है. All right.
yeah, my
Your
God,
chance.
I am telling way too many things on this.
Your chance.
Okay, all right. So you are in a threesome.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Sure.
Yeah. And you have two options. Either it's a male and you, it's two men and you, or it's a क्या combination होता है? Or it's
Female, male.
two women and a man. So which one would you choose? And you have to choose one.
Okay. I've never done any, तो मुझे पता
We
नहीं.
don't. How would we know?
Okay, since we're answering questions, so I don't know because I've not given it a lot of thought. But I think if I have to do it, I would rather they be there two men.
Two men.
Yeah.
Cool.
I don't want to feel left out.
Okay, fair. Cool. Yeah, your question.
All right. Since we were talking about lying, let me move on to the next question. Would you forgive your partner if they cheated on you?
Yeah, no, I would not.
And what do you constitute of cheating? Like, is it just physical or it could be like emotional? Like,
for me-
where do you draw the boundary that this is cheating?
Emotional for sure. Emotional, 100%.
What is
like,
emotional cheating to you?
like for example, okay, this is a very
Because everybody has different boundaries. Like, because
Different
like what you
boundaries,
said right now, like, you flirted with this boy and you told Sahil,
Yeah.
like, me as a partner of people I have dated at least, I would not have forgiven very easily. Probably because I've not dated somebody for 8 years, so maybe that's not the kind of level I've reached. But till now, whoever I've dated, I don't think I would move past it that easily.
Okay.
Like what a bitch and like move. ऐसे तो
Yeah,
नहीं.
no, it's fine. I mean, it's okay.
हाँ, मैं
it's
बोल रही हूँ, so
healthy.
everybody has a
Again,
different.
it's every couple's
That's what I'm
definition of
asking
healthy
you.
is different.
That's what I'm asking you. What is your definition of emotional cheating? मेरी तो बहुत नीचे है.
यार इमोशनल चीटिंग मेरे लिए ये होगा कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे साहिल एंड आई वी टेल ईच अदर एवरीथिंग इवेंचुअली मतलब इवेंचुअली लाइक
Which is fine.
विच इज फाइन मतलब वैसे तो वी टेल ईच अदर इन दैट वेरी मोमेंट ओनली
But ठीक है,
बट
कभी हो
कभी
जाता है
कभी
इधर-उधर,
यू
okay.
नो वी जस्ट फील वी गेज कि अभी थोड़ा सा व्हाटएवर इट इज तो इफ आई फील लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल if we met somebody है ना maybe for a brunch or something and यार बहुत ही weird और crazy question है कि समझाऊं कैसे मैं
अरे मैं जैसे मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ. Like for me, emotional cheating would start from a point that
if somebody is
we
trying
are
to hide something
yeah, if we're having a bad day and you want to go bitch about it to somebody, like
yeah,
that is emotional cheating
yes,
to me.
yes,
You know?
yes.
Like,
Yeah, for example, I should be your male friends can be your,
Outlet.
Your outlet, exactly. Your male friends can be your outlet, or I can be your outlet. If there is some other chick coming in and you're
who's not a friend,
Who's
right?
not-
If she's a friend, then it's a different.
Sahil doesn't
Have a lot of female friends.
doesn't have, so let's just be clear about that. He's never really had female friends. Okay, all the female friends that he has are probably
technically
my friends
true.
only. So probably वो वाला equation as such इतना कभी मतलब
You've not faced.
yeah. So if he's talking to my friends, that I would still be okay with that. But if there is some other girl coming in and like he's talking on the phone and maybe when I come there and he keeps the phone
yeah.
or he's trying to maybe
Hide something in any
delete
form.
his messages, maybe delete a chat. For me that's emotional. That
Bonus question: have you ever looked at Sahil's phone or your partner's phone?
yeah.
ऐसे
ये वैसे तो नहीं, ये दो क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछ
ऐसे
लिए?
bonus कैसे वो flow में आ गया.
हाँ यार मैंने देखा है यार, प्लीज
Yeah, ऐसे-
guilty
Yeah, you have.
yes
And have you found something?
have I found something? I found hilarious shit.
But nothing that would
like
make
for
it-
example it was hilarious because he spoke to this girl, really hot girl, and he was like कि bro मतलब मैंने तुझसे थोड़ी ज़्यादा hot and steamy बातें कर ली हैं but मैं कल ही श्रेया को बता दूंगा because like she's my best friend, like apart from being my wife she's my best friend, तो मैं उसे कल ही बता दूंगा but she's chill and everything but ये थोड़ा
no,
but ये ज़्यादा हो गया and I'm sorry about it but I read that, okay, and I was like bro this is मतलब क्या बोलूँ मैं, this is funny.
But
like,
do you think morally, do you think it's okay to check somebody's phone or your partner's phone? Somebody's तो क्या?
no, I don't think nobody should.
Okay, then what if you don't think? Then what made you check it? And do you now not check it? मतलब
ये क्वेश्चन के साथ इतने सारे क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रही है भाई?
भाई
तो
बताओ ना. It's a
every
podcast.
question has a sub question, which is then every sub question has another.
You don't give them the dictation. You answer.
What was the question?
If you think it's not morally correct, then what made you check it?
I'm just a very curious cat. Not that curious also. Like I do it ऐसे 3 months में एक बार.
अब 3 months में एक बारी. But why do you feel the need to do it? मतलब
यार there is no need. It's not like he's doing anything or no. बस यार ऐसे थोड़ा मजा आता है यार, मतलब देखते हैं क्या कर रहा है आजकल. Like that. Girls, do you relate?
okay.
यार कभी तो मजा आ जाता
तो
है.
एक मिनट. अच्छा ठीक है. If you do it once in 3 months,
Yeah, ऐसे months and
if you have to put it in a percentage, how many times out of those times have you found something where you've had a fight because of it? Or like some friction because of it? Fight, I mean, बड़ा word बोल दिया मैंने. But friction because of it?
once in 8 times.
Okay, that's not.
That's not it. मैं बता रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए करती हूँ, just to see कि आजकल कौन सी लड़की किस पे ज़्यादा हिट कर रही है and all. Not to keep a check, not to keep anything. I'm just proud of the fact that girls are hitting on my husband. And sometimes I just like to, like for my entertainment यार, कभी-कभी entertainment भी तो ज़रूरी होती है यार.
ठीक है, sure.
थोड़ी
Can't relate, but
entertainment.
ठीक है.
हाँ नहीं मजे आते हैं यार, तू ही करियो.
नहीं मैं ऐसे ही
मत
हूँ.
करना.
नहीं मुझे नहीं करना.
नहीं, I don't think, see it's not morally correct, but who said I'm a very good person?
All right, you can ask me a question now. बहुत सारे पूछ लिया मैंने.
Thank God, man. Okay, do you think that kids nowadays should be slapped once a while? Like once in a while, बच्चों को थप्पड़ पड़ने चाहिए.
Very hard to answer because, of course, never really thought as a parent. But in my opinion, वैसे तो I don't want to have kids, but in case I ever do, I don't think I would resort to physical violence as a solution because I don't think it helps. I don't think it helps.
Yeah, there you go. I don't think I'm gonna have kids either. But anyway, if I do, and yeah, if at some point I feel that this is like way too much, and
But there are other ways to do things.
no,
right?
100%. Like me as a parent, like अगर 100 गलतियां करी हैं तो 100 में से एक बार तो पढ़ सकता है थप्पड़, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैंने बड़े सारे थप्पड़ खाए हैं, मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
देखो
है.
मुझे वैसे मैंने थप्पड़ ऑनेस्टली आज तक 2 ही बार खाए हैं. ठीक
मैंने
है?
बहुत थप्पड़ खाए हैं एंड मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे वो थप्पड़ पड़े.
तो मुझे पता नहीं है क्योंकि आई थिंक आई टर्न आउट फाइन. आई डोंट नो.
नहीं मुझे आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट द
So
फैक्ट
yeah,
दैट
I mean, I don't know. No.
माय पेरेंट ऐसे नहीं है कुटापा ऐसा नहीं होता था.
नहीं.
But ऐसे कभी कभार like I don't know if it's right or wrong, but I genuinely thank my parents that once in a while they gave me one tight slap. I needed it as a child, and I think because of that I think I turned out pretty fine.
भाई पता
And if it's
नहीं.
going to be my kid, 100%. कभी कभी को
But
टापा
I
तो
think
चाहिए होगा.
subjective, but I don't think I personally believe that a slap helps in any way.
Slap को टापा.
Yeah, like whatever helps in any way. I don't think so.
Cool. Your question.
ये क्या घटिया क्वेश्चन.
भाई-
ये मुझे बोल रही है जूसी क्वेश्चन लेके आई.
भाई I am touching everything, okay? Like
Boring.
I'm touching everything.
Tell me a toxic trait of yours that you know exist, but you choose actively to not work on it. I'm sure कुछ तो होगा.
ऐसा
क्या वो पता है कि हाँ आप ऐसे इंसान हो, but you made your peace with कि हाँ भाई मैं ऐसी हूँ. Fuck it.
Bro, I think I've been working on myself in every
अरे कुछ तो होगा.
नहीं है भाई, सच में नहीं
भाई
है.
सबसे ज्यादा लोग वही होते हैं. मुझे लगता है कि उनके में कोई टॉक्सिक ट्रेट
नहीं
है.
नहीं यार मेरे में है यार. ओके लेट्स ओके फोन चेक करना साहिल का. यही मैं कि मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा मैं और क्या बोलूं यार. तू बता दे चल मेरे में जो मैं तुझे लगता है मैं शायद.
मैं क्यों बताऊँ. क्वेश्चन पूछो अपना.
नहीं मे बी हेल्प मी अ लिटिल कि देयर इज समथिंग लाइक दिस बट श्रेया इज लाइक maybe I lose my temper very quickly and I don't want to work on it.
I don't know. I've not had a lot of fights with her till now.
But अब तो मेरा temperament में guys I think I am a pretty decent person. This is the answer. I
think
pretty
she needs to take an introspection class
maybe.
But anyway, go
Yeah.
ahead. Your question.
Okay.
Ask me something different.
So your best friend is dating a boy who's like amazing, okay? He's amazing.
Okay,
ठीक है?
amazing.
Like he's really good.
Okay, got it. Really good.
But there is this one time, just one time, ठीक है, where he acts a little loose with you, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. Now. You know for a fact that he's a great guy. And आज शायद
But if
उससे
he's a
कुछ-
great guy, why would he act a little loose?
I don't know. Let me complete the whole scenario. Why I'm giving you this is like it's like an inception wala question.
ठीक है.
Okay. So this one time, like this is one time. See, sometimes people are really good, but sometimes they can be out of character. कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है. कभी-कभी है ना. इंसान है, इंसान देवता तो है नहीं, उससे कभी गलती हो सकती है. Okay, and he's being a little, you know, he's trying to flirt
Handsy,
with you
okay.
and like whatever. And you are like, oh. And if you tell this to your best friend, then you know it might create
Come across.
it might create some, you know, but again she's your best friend and she's supposed to know. And maybe this has happened with you, like maybe you guys have chilled, like hung out like a lot of times and this has happened for the first time. But what if he does that with other girls who are, you know, not her friends? So now you're in a really weird place. What would you do? Would you tell your friend?
I think
or
I'm a
would you
very
not?
clear person like that, honestly. I will 100% tell it because if I'm calling them my best friend, they 100% already know that is not coming out of any ill intent. And I feel like any sort of information, like if I have information, then I will tell her in the most non-biased way ki bhai, it has only happened once and this whatever. But I feel like as a best friend, she deserves to have all the information. She can choose to do whatever the fuck she wants to do.
But what
with
if
it.
this really, you know, creates, you know,
Then it
a
does because like the thing is, it
lot
has
of friction
happened. I'm
between
not.
you and your best friend? Then what? मतलब
Yeah, भाई,
like
मतलब
for a fact you know कि अगर तूने ये बोल दिया तो इसके बाद तुम्हारी friendship ना मतलब ऐसे बहुत ही ऐसे हो सकती है, खराब हो सकती है. So now in that,
Yeah, I think I would still choose to do it because if this person is doing something like this, एक तो I don't believe that people just do it once. I mean, ये तो maybe he's doing it once with me, but
Maybe.
and I also feel like maybe not now, maybe not later, but whatever experiences I've collected, sooner or later the truth comes out. I would really regret that I had a chance of informing her and maybe at least have a chance at giving her some idea, because it might create a fiction between us, but it will also plant a seed in her head, because at the end I am her friend. So even
But
she-
what if this is actually like, this is very, you know, he's normally never like that. He's normally never like that. Never ever. And he would, like, again, these are all hypothetical questions, okay? Normally,
I
it's
would, I
nev-
would choose to tell, and then I'm sure if she's my best friend, we can, even if it creates fiction for a little bit of time, if it's nothing, then we'll figure out a way and we'll come back to each other.
That's very theoretical of you.
Okay, but I think I would take my chance. Like, I don't think I would be able to live knowing that this happened.
But
and not tell her.
again, this is never going to happen again. मतलब एक
अब ये तो
एक
मुझे कैसे
बार
पता ना, तो मैं बता दूंगी और हमेशा उसे ये बोलूंगी कि दोबारा होगा तो maybe we can do something about it, but if it doesn't happen then let's just ignore it.
Cool.
But as a girl I think I would.
Okay, I've been there and I've done the exact same thing.
Yeah.
My friendship with her like really
Yeah.
खराब हो गई, but then that's okay, I think.
Did it long term turn into?
No,
Are they still dating?
no.
There you go.
No, that they broke up for other reasons or whatever. Actually, I don't fucking care. जो भी था, मतलब मैंने तो मुंह भी बता दिया, उसी वक्त बता दिया.
हाँ मैं भी बता दूंगी यार.
Okay, cool, your turn.
All right, I need you to take your phone out for this one.
Damn, son.
You're gonna read us your last 3 ChatGPT questions.
My last ChatGPT. Oh,
I'm gonna read it out because you will cheat.
yeah, go ahead. It'll be so bakwas.
Yeah, I can't share my ChatGPT. Fuck.
It's like my ChatGPT is so boring.
Thank God my phone's off.
It must be related to Papi only, for sure.
Instagram caption ideas. Pop-up artist help. Boring.
Worst ChatGPT ever.
Never mind. This
Cool.
was a fail.
Yeah. Okay, so if you had to choose, okay. You're getting married.
Okay.
Okay. And that person is of a different religion than you.
Okay.
Cool. So, and they're very strict about religion. Okay? They're very, but whatever. They're very,
Very
strict.
strict matlab kya
Very
hota hai?
strict matlab, they would want you to, you know, follow their religion.
Oh, they want me to convert?
Like kind of convert only. So, would
No,
that,
it's a
that
no.
is,
It's
a
a
no?
deal breaker. Like I would let them follow it and they can be strict about it with themselves. But if it's like if they will give me an ultimatum ki, oh, I'll only marry you if you also convert, I will definitely not, because love me as I am, bitch. Like,
All right, your
So-
question. I've tried to be very inclusive of all areas of life, from sex to mummy papa to friendship to cheating to I've covered everything, to religion also now.
right. I want to ask you another introspective question, but I feel like she's not an introspective girl.
Maybe I'm not. Maybe I
Alright,
am.
what is something that you've done in your past that if you could go back in time and change, you would change? Anything. I know you're the kind of person like no regrets, whatever, but like
Yeah.
just give if like God comes down to me like, okay, I give you one chance to go back and change one decision.
So recently, I met this celebrity. Okay. And
Are you talking about the person I think you're talking about?
yes. And you know, out of sheer what do you call it? How do I say it? I just felt that even though she's a celebrity, but like she's so fuddu. Like so fuddu ki main, matlab, like sometimes when you meet a celebrity, you should be a little transactional, because obviously I'm a content creator and you know we have Papi going on and everything. So we should not feel so superior.
We
And
didn't feel superior.
yeah, whatever. I just felt she's so fuddu that I don't even want to record a piece of content. But given a chance, I would, because some things can be transactional in life and should be just considered as a transaction. So I would have I should have recorded content with her, because now I am in this game, and no matter how superficial this might just sound, these things help. So I would. That's one thing that I would, because I'm very serious about my careers, guys. Like,
Alright,
yeah.
go.
okay. Your opinions on nepotism. Like, what do you think of nepotism? Is it a good thing? It's a bad thing? What do you think?
I don't think it's a good thing or a bad thing. It's a thing. And it's a thing that exist in every walk
No,
of
but
life.
I
It's not-
asked you, is it a good thing or a bad thing?
I'm
That's the
telling you,
question.
I have a very neutral opinion about it. Like, there is no need to have a debate on nepotism. It is something that exists everywhere. And you know, we've always focused on Bollywood and celebrities and whatever, कि वहाँ nepotism होता है. But if you would look around, हर जगह नेपोटिज्म होता है. अगर डॉक्टर के बच्चे डॉक्टर बनेंगे, उन्हें क्लिनिक मिल जाएगी, वो नेपोटिज्म हो रहा है. पायलट के बच्चे पायलट मिलते हैं, उन्हें फैमिली प्रोग्राम में पायलट की जॉब पहले मिलती है. मैं पायलट बनी, मुझे नहीं मिली. If I would have become a doctor, life would have been easy for me that way. It's everywhere. People need to stop taking to their heart कि ओ वो एक्टर का बच्चा है इसलिए उसे मूवीज मिल रही है. हाँ भाई, उसके पेरेंट्स ने मेहनत करी है, उसे मूवी मिलेगी.
हाँ,
मतलब
ठीक
it's
है.
okay. You don't need to hate on nepotism or whatever. It's a very normal thing that exists. It's just like having money. That is a form of money.
Yeah,
And if
that's a privilege you
yeah,
have, and
it
it's
is
okay.
a privilege, and it's very okay to have. You don't start on hating on money just because money exists, right? You don't start hating on rich people because they're
They
rich.
exist.
It's the same way with nepotism. I'm not against it. It's just how life works.
Cool.
Get used to it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Your last question.
Okay, we'll end with a simple question. What's your hot, unpopular take on life?
No, I don't know if it's popular or unpopular.
No, just your
I
hot take
genuinely,
on
this
life.
is what I live by. दुनिया में आए हो तो फन कर लो. दुनिया में आए हो तो फन कर लो.
Fair, हाँ जी.
थोड़ी सी मेहनत और थोड़े अच्छे से सो लो. Like literally, I live by it. Like you should have
Yeah.
fun. No matter what you're doing in life, you should have fun. No matter where you are in life, you should have fun and like be present. I think that's how I would like to wrap up this session. I hope you guys loved it. And yeah, we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.